How to verify Hinge profile. First, launch open Hinge application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of Hinge, tap on your profile icon or the profile picture at the bottom right hand corner. From your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. If you've not verified your profile yet, you'll be able to see this Get Verified option under your pictures and videos. Tap on it. In order to verify your profile, follow through the prompts as it asks you throughout the process. To get your profile verified, you'll need to take a quick video selfie. You must keep your verification honest and make sure to upload a clear profile photo without anyone else to make the verification easier. After you're sure you can continue the verification process, tap on Continue. Tap Continue one more time and tap on Verify Me. Follow through the video selfie process and you'll be able to verify your Hinge profile. That is how you can easily verify your Hinge profile so that you can let people know it is really you on the platform. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.